you can see that you have the option of Facebook pixel over here. If you turn it on, you would need to set it up into a website wherever you're trying to drive some traffic. I'll just give you an idea of Facebook pixel. This is something really advanced. I won't go in deep, but I'll just tell you about it. Just like if you ever visit any e-commerce website or any e-commerce marketplace like Alibaba, so what happens automatically, the products that you're searching for, those products would appear on anywhere that you go, and there is a placement for ad. Now if I go to a website where people put classified ads, and a few moments ago I was on Alibaba, so automatically you would see that in one corner or in some parts of the page you would see that same item popping up in front of you. This happens through tracking of your cookies. So if I put it in a way that if I set up this pixel into the page where I'm driving traffic, like if I'm driving traffic to a website and I set up this Facebook pixel and install its code into the header of the website, then automatically I could target those people, or I could collect data of those people for retargeting them with any other kinds of ad through the Facebook pixel. And most definitely what happens, the marketing technique is that first you aware people of your brand, then you try to reach out to people who are probably interested in your brand, and in the third option definitely you try to go for a conversion and convert them into a lead, a sale, or any other objective that you have. Okay, so this was the idea for Facebook pixel. When I try to set it up some other time, but this is the basic part of the course, so I won't be going ahead with it. So I'm gonna turn it off, and you'd